This is Jim Smith. Today I'm showing you my new listing at 5359 West Hoover Drive in the Vintage Reserve subdivision of unincorporated Jeffco. It has a Littleton address, but of course it's not in Littleton. It has a 3-car garage, and it has 3 bedrooms up and 1 on the main floor, and 3 full baths. Let's go inside and check it out. Large covered porch, by the way. Coming in the front door, you're on a hardwood floor for the foyer. And here's that main floor bedroom I told you about. Nice size. I think it's about 11 by 12 with a 7-foot wide closet. And it's next to this 3-quarter bathroom, not a powder room. There's a shower right there. So from the foyer, you walk through this archway into the family room, which has a gas fireplace and also a place for a wall-mounted flat-screen TV. Has a ceiling fan. Oh, and it also has built-in wiring in the ceiling and in the walls for surround sound. 4 windows in the family room overlook this Greenbelt. Somebody walking their dog. Trailheads are just 4 doors away. We'll go out on the deck and I'll show you that better. Here again, a hardwood floor. In the kitchen, it's an eat-in kitchen. You could have a table under that chandelier there, or you could use this as a formal dining room with a nicer chandelier, or you could make it an extension of the family room or a formal living room, whatever works for you. The kitchen has slab granite countertops, including on this island, which has an overhang suitable for a breakfast bar. Stainless steel appliances. All appliances are included. There's a double oven. Oh, and there's a nice walk-in pantry here. Let me show you that. See? Nice size. Gas cooktop. And here's a view from the kitchen to the family room. There's the door to the garage, and next to it is this powder room here. And here is the laundry room with a laundry sink and a folding table. The garage is painted and insulated, as is the other 1-car garage, by the way. This one has a door to the outside. Let's go out now on the deck, which is one of the real nice features of this home, is how it backs to this open space. I hear crickets and birds. There's mountain view over there. The upstairs bedrooms have mountain view too. Really nice location here. This is a Trex deck, and the wood railings and spindles, including going down to the yard, are freshly stained. Okay, so that's the main floor. Let's go upstairs now and check out the master bedroom and 2 guest bedrooms and the 2 full bathrooms. Upstairs now, I'm in a large loft that overlooks the foyer down below. This is big enough to have a desk or piano or something up here. Has access to the attic, or one of 2 accesses to the attic. Here's the hallway bathroom serving the 2 guest bedrooms, a separate room for the toilet and tub, which is nice when it's being shared by 2 different bedrooms. Here's the front bedroom. Lots of light, high windows, so you could put a table here. It's a good place to check out the great condition of the dimensional shingle roof. Here's the second guest bedroom. And this one has a partial mountain view and another wide closet. So the master bedroom is through these double doors off the loft, and it has a vaulted ceiling. It's got wiring up there for a ceiling fan, and it has a really great view of the green space and also the mountain view over there. Here's the master bathroom with a ceramic tile floor, separate room for the toilet, double vanity with granite countertop, and a big wide mirror, full width, soaking tub. Tub with a view. Again, look at that nice mountain view. Wish I had a telephoto lens. I zoom in on it, but really nice mountain view here. Glass shower with tile to the almost to the ceiling, and look at how big this walk-in closet is. It's about 13 feet long by about 6 feet wide. Very nice and well lit. So that's the upstairs. Let's go down and I'll show you the unfinished basement before we go out front and wrap it up. Coming down the stairs from the foyer, we're in the unfinished basement. It has a 9-foot ceiling, and it's a walkout basement. We'll go out there in a moment. Wanted to mention this. This home has what's called home run wiring, which means that each of the bedrooms and the family room have internet and cable wiring direct to that place where it comes in from outside. It's a newer high efficiency furnace here with a humidifier and a newer hot water heater with a pressure tank. And over here is rough plumbing for a bathroom. So you could finish this, have a bathroom down here and family room, pool table room, whatever. Another bedroom. Here's the patio, concrete patio. Out in the backyard now is sprinklered. No dog damage. And just take in how quiet and beautiful it is here. This is a nice feature. The seller built a shed attached to the house, painted the same siding and everything for the lawnmower. And it's also where the controls are for the sprinkler system. Oh, and there's a door at the other end. I don't know if you noticed that, but very nice. So that's it. Let's go out front now and wrap it up. Thanks for touring this fine home with me today. I opened the one-car garage so you can see that it too is painted and insulated and has natural light, 3 large windows. If you'd like to see this home, I'd be delighted to show it to you. You can reach me anytime on my cell phone. Oh, listen to those birds. I love it when birds are the loudest thing you hear in a neighborhood. If you'd like to see this home, give me a call. I'm happy to show it to you. You can reach me anytime at 303-525-1851, or you can email me at jim@goldenrealestate.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Before you leave the neighborhood, be sure to check out the clubhouse and picnic ground and playground near the entrance to the subdivision. It's got a couple seasonal ponds here and plenty of parking space. You can, for a very nominal fee, you can rent the clubhouse for wedding receptions or parties, whatever you'd like. So check it out on your way out of the subdivision.